Hello everyone, this is Amber Frederick and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use a free program called Natural Reader to read text that is put on a page out loud, so either you don't have to read it, or if you're busy but you can't exactly read a paper, it can read it out loud to you. Kind of like an audiobook. Okay, to begin, you would go to www.naturalreaders.com. One of the coolest part about it is they actually don't have to sign up. It is a totally free program that you can use. Of course, it does have an upgrade, but in order to get the basics out of the program, there's no sign up or fee needed. So to begin, you would go to the online reader. Okay, and then this is basically what it looks like. And in order to get the effects of what it is, you would press play. And
drag and drop your files or type, paste, and edit text here.
It will read whatever text is there. So it's going to read throughout here, read here. You can delete this and type in your own thing saying Fort Hays State University is the best college for virtual learning, and then you press play.
Fort Hays State University is the best college for virtual learning.
So whatever you type
Fort
here,
Hays State University is the best.
whatever you type there, it's going to read aloud. You can also open your own documents, and it'll read those documents. It uploads here. You do have to wait a minute or two. And then you click open when it's ready. It opens the file that you want it to read, and you click play.
AEP 800 Utilization of Technology in the Classroom Assignments Discussion Boards. Before posting any content on the Google discussion board, please watch.
You can pause it or play it at any time. You can add another file. You can choose a different person to read
Watch
your
this no
information.
video. 400.
You can also alter the speed. And then once you're done, you can share it. And you copy and send it to your friends so they can read it and listen to it instantly. I think that this is a great program because if you can share it with your friends, it's great, especially like in the college classrooms, because sometimes you have a lot to read, but you're not able to sit there and read it. I drive a lot, so I think that this would be a great program to use for article journals and things of those sorts that I have to read in order for my classes. So I think that college students can get a lot, can benefit from this program immensely. Thanks for visiting us today, and I hope you use naturalreaders.com soon.